Zuhair from the Emirates.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Alaykum assalam wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, I'm your biggest fans. Allah Azza wa Jal grant you a lot of goodness, Sheikh.
Ameen, and you as well.
My question is that should we say the name of the person whose udhiya we are doing before slaughtering the animal, or say intention enough? Jazakallah khair.
Wajazak. First of all, the udhiya has to be designated for the one it's being slaughtered to. A common mistake: you go to a charity organization or to a butcher's house and you say to them, here's the money for my udhiya. They register your name, okay, jazakallah khair. Then they bring 100 sheep and they tell the butcher, slaughter. These are udhiyas. And the guy says, Bismillah, Allahu Akbar, Bismillah, Allahu Akbar, Bismillah, Allahu Akbar, which is good. Whose? We don't know. And they come afterwards and they pick one and say, okay, assign this to Asim, assign this to Azzam, assign this to Ghassan, assign this to Mazin. What are you doing? Oh, this is udhiya, they paid for it. But you are randomly distributing it without being, this is wrong. It has to be assigned. Now, if I go to the butcher with my ram and I say to him, slaughter it for me, please. And he says, Bismillah, Allahu Akbar, and he does, he's doing it for me. My intention is sufficient. But when it's a lump sum that is given like that, no, it has to be designated. We can't just slaughter 3 sheep for me, for my brother, and from my uncle, and we don't know which is which, and okay, take this meat for you, and take this meat for you, and take this meat for me. It has to be designated beforehand, and Allah knows best.